Hi, everybody. On Thursday, I addressed a conference for business leaders from around the world. And my pitch was simple. Choose America. Invest in America. Create jobs in America. It speaks to my top priority as president, growing our economy, creating good jobs, strengthening security and opportunity for the middle class. It begins by ending what has done more than anything else to undermine our economy over the past few years, and that's the constant cycle of manufactured crises and self-inflicted wounds. I was glad to hear the Republican leader in the Senate say this week that they won't pursue another government shutdown or threaten another default on our debt, because we shouldn't be injuring ourselves every few months. We should be investing in ourselves. Here's the bottom line. Congress should pass a budget that cuts things we don't need and closes wasteful tax loopholes that don't help create jobs, so that we can free up resources for the things that actually do create jobs and growth. Building new roads, building new bridges and schools and airports, that creates jobs. Educating our kids and our workers for a global economy, that helps us grow